1492. Before he could achieve this great feat, he was often in open defiance with his crew. Based on this, the Paley builds a conflict of great imagination.
They call to stop them. The captain is always furious when he hears it.
Can we one thing to keep our spirits?
Assiduity to the reggae people from Gutierrez comes in he's somewhat surprised when he sees the other.
Who's that?
Diego was working 25 years old.
It's that. I would welcome the moon.
Yes, yes, John Bello, but some of us would welcome the course of the Spain 16 war.
Patient, Diego.
There are limits to patience,
And you have reached them.
we are like bats trying to fly by day. It's time we gave way. Why should one man have the lives of 50 in his hand?
I hope we are not entertaining the stars, Diego.
Nudity? It is an ugly word, sir.
And I'm ugly as me.
Juan, finishing his job at the radio, rises and when a salute goes off, Columbus comes in. He is a tall, well-built man of 46. Hair prematurely white, flesh and thick hair, almost rugged. A man of quick temper and irritability which he controls only with an effort. His face, in repose, is melancholic. Seeing Don Pedro in conversation with Diego, he looks a trifle suspicious. He turns quickly to Diego.
A candle on the foremost is rapid. See that it is put right.
Yes, sir.
And Diego,
Yes, sir.
this is the quarterdeck.
Yes, sir.
A good sailor knows his place.
Yes, sir.
Pedro, there be 2 months.
The simple men and must have their relaxation. We have not got your missions, Captain.
It is my will. Is that not enough?
And sir.
Forgive me, Don Pedro. A curve for my tongue. Oh, a curve for my unbridled tongue. My worst enemy. My will. Friend. Because God's will shall that suffice.
I do not claim your confidence, sir.
I claim yours. Blight upon their singing, bid them stop. Mystery, would God he planned inside to solve mysteries and not provide the solution? Who is that?
Me, Captain. Pepe.
Have you been there all the time?
Please. Sir, I'm off duty.
Then why aren't you down below?
I prefer your company to theirs. Am I in your way here, sir?
What about? And what do they say of the preference?
I don't speak to them. I hate them.
Shh, Pepe, and tell you one, quick. Here you heard what Don Pedro said,
Yes, Captain. And he is the best.
but even he doubts.
Everybody doubts. Except me.
Everybody,
Except me, Captain. Except me.
you are young enough to have faith. Thank you, boy.
They are horrible when they drink too much. They say it makes them forget.
Poor fellows.
Captain, be careful. Sometimes they are desperate.
That is ugly. I bet Don Pedro stop them. So you think they might become dangerous? Go, boy. Well, Don Pedro, they are seeming changes to a road. The deepening of their discontent is ominous.
Captain, they ignore my order.
I'll make an example of one of them. Hello there. What sneaking mischief maker is that crawling about the leg? Show yourself.
They shan't.
Boy, come here. What were the words?
He said that Santa Maria will be the lighter for his carcass.
He said that. Did he?
I'm sorry, sir. And you? How my feelings, Hazrat?
Send Guillermo eyes to me.
Sorry, sir, but
Discipline knows no buts.
discipline is a thing of the past, sir. It's you or us.
Don Pedro, let Guillermo eyes descend to me. He shall know what it is like in irons.
Pedro is halfway down the stairs to the quarter deck with Guillermo Iris and others seated rushing in angry mass towards Columbus, growling like infuriated animals.
Stop. What is the meaning of this fine approach? The first man to move shall spend the rest of the 99s.
And who is to put him in irons? We are 30 to 1.
If nobody else is available for the office, I'll perform it myself. Get below. Let me hear no more of this.
We have stood too much. We have been dumped day in, day out. We are men with common feelings of men. We want our hopes and our families. I say Santa Maria shall turn her help to us pay at once, or we are not men but sheep.
And who shall navigate her?
There is a plenty here who can do that. The devil is with you. We all know that. Riding the easterly wind. But we are not men unused to the sea. Once clear of this devil's track, to know where we will go our way back home.
Don Guillermo, you are an excellent sailor, a man of abundant resourcefulness. Someday, if your tongue does not run away with your discretion, you will achieve prosperity in your calling. Today, you are an able-bodied seaman and no more. I am your captain. Your duty is to obey me, as mine is to obey the royal sovereigns of Spain who sent me. Let that be clear understood between us, and we shall not fall out. Now, return to your duties.
Words for children, forth and come. We are men, reason with us.
Silence.
The tone of authority calms the men, who remain, however, in a huddled crowd, murmuring discontentedly. Columbus turns and goes up the stairs to the poop, where he stands and looks down upon the men.
I suppose you think that you are on holy ground now?
Have it done. Pitch him overboard. Put him in irons. Devils too. Italian renegade.
Cowards, cowards! You will have to kill me first.
What? Does that sign stand between me and death?
My captain!
This is a voyage of discovery. I set out to discover a new world, a radiant land beyond unknown seas, to find new wealth and dominion for our sovereign king and queen, new souls for the sacrifice of our Savior to redeem. So far, I have discovered but one thing. I have discovered that when a man is given a vision, he must follow it alone. Loyalty passes like a seaweed on an outgoing tide. Friendship breaks as a marsh followed by warm breaks. Discipline, duty, and honorable obedience are bubbles that burst at the first contact. There remains but one self. That is my only discovery so far, Pepe.
Captain, I'm loyal. I'm still obedient. Still your devoted servant.
I am not ungrateful.
I hope my writing has never been questioned, sir.
We have sometimes been silent, Don Pedro, when speech would have made your loyalty clear.
We are simple men, sir.
Shall simple man judge their betters?
We need as we wait till tomorrow, but any day.
Dark deeds are better done in the dark.
That's correct. Men do not always act up to the best. That is intent, sir.
I thank you for reminding me, Francisco. Your best cannot be better. Good night. Go, boy. 2 minutes ago, Don Pedro. I saw, I thought, I saw. It was, it is.
What, sir?
A light. Faintly flickering, rising up and down. Look there.
It is, sir. Glory be to God.
It is, sir, a light. Light.
Did you see it, sir? A light. Blessed Mother of God, a light.
Give the order to heed to.